Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 XLT in Magma with gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the XTR package, which adds a little bit of bling with front chrome bumper, fenders, grille, handles, and running board, as well as tow hooks. It also has a Class 4 trailer tow package, backup camera, backup sensors, as well as navigation and a tonneau cover. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and grab handle make it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer readings on the bottom left, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through: display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You also have an automatic select shifter with drive mode, and when you press the end, you'll see it appear on the dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. In the center, there's a little bit of a cubby up there to put things: traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and you're seeing your display screen there. You can touch on it for your sources: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and you'll see the map come up for that. And then when you want to put the vehicle in reverse, just put it in reverse. You're going to see your backup camera view. And I'm just going to go back into park. There you go. And settings, you can slide through for different options. Things like automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, the way your display screen looks, and so forth. Volume and tuner, and down below is your climate control. You've got heated seats for the comfort of driver and passenger, as well as AC and max AC, and front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, a couple of USB outlets, 12 volt, and there's a little bin down there as well to put items. And then you've got your armrest with cup holders and storage as well. There you go. You can flip the seat up for another seating position. Down below you're seeing a couple of cup holders. Those just flip underneath, and more storage as well. And then off to the side is your 12 volt and 110 outlet. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and in the back you have a power sliding window, and that's what that button's for. And there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just below that handle, and you have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. You'll also notice there's a hard tonneau cover, and that is an upgrade on this vehicle. Then you just simply open up the tailgate latch, and inside it's nicely lined, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start and speaker in the doors, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Simply pull the tab at the base of the seat and lift it up. It gives you more room on the floor. And then to bring it back down, pull the tab again and give it a push, and down it goes. You've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And there's a nice all-weather mat from one end to the other for easy cleanup, and extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, a couple of cup holders and a 12 volt. In the body, a grab handle. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, hard tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.